new piston rings need to be checked. Many ring sets come out of the box, appropriately sized for the bores based on the diameter measurement of the cylinder bore. The concern is that the gap in the ring must be at a certain specification when it's installed on the piston and inserted into the bore. To check this, a ring is fit into the newly honed cylinder. A piston can be used to square up the ring as it's pushed down into the bore. A ring installed in the second groove of the piston will act as a stop so that the ring doesn't get pushed too far down. The specified ring gap can be found in a repair manual and would be checked with a feeler gauge. Some types of rings are called file to fit or custom gap rings. The gap will be too small at first and will need to be filed until the gap is the right size. One side of the ring can be filed by hand. Just be sure to move the file towards the inside of the ring only. The gap of the unfiled side needs to be square with the filed side as well. The ring can also be placed in a hand-cranked filing machine to speed up this process.
A lot of machine shops can do all this for you. Many of them have powered machines that can do this job very quickly and precisely. Doing it by hand is a tedious process. If you do have custom fit rings, just make sure to keep them in order and labeled as they're cut to fit. They'll need to match back to the exact bore that they were filed to fit into. Once your rings are set and the machine shop is ready with all your other components, everything will need to have a final cleaning, if they haven't done it for you already. Hot water and soap do a great job. If you do the final washing yourself, make sure to blow everything out really well with compressed air. Machined and regular metal surfaces can be kept from rusting with regular applications of WD-40. Spray some inside everything too. The WD name stands for Water Displacing Formula number 40. It'll actually force moisture out of the pores of any metal and prevent corrosion. Now every piece of your engine should be like new. Get everything organized back at your workspace and we'll start the assembly.